Hello students, welcome to my channel Sunshine. Today I will teach you how to draw a easy scenery with tricks. At first, you have to draw a horizontal line in your copy. Then draw a vertical line on the entire page along the previous horizontal line. Now you have to draw the branches of each tree by following step by step. Now draw the leaves of the tree like this. Erase the horizontal line in this time. Now draw some mountain pictures. Now draw the part of the river like this. Draw some stones on both sides of the river. Start coloring. First, mix all the leaves of the tree with dark green, light green and yellow color like this way. Now you can border with a glass marking pencil to mark the positions of the leaves. Apply dark brown, deep brown and yellow ochre color on the tree branches and mix with buds. Border the mountains with dark brown, fill in the blanks with deep brown and sap green. Then mix with buds. Color the river part with dark blue, light blue, sap green and white color. Follow it step by step. Color the stones in this way with grey and black color. Apply the dark blue color to make the river waves clear. Apply dark blue, dark green, light green and yellow color to show the bushes on both sides of the forest. Border and shade with black color to highlight all the parts of the picture like this. Now the black color is applied in this way to mark the leaves on the tree. Mark the sky by applying sky blue and white color. Now it's complete. Always follow the tricks and draw the scenery like this. Then it will be very easy. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon and press all to get instant update. Thank you.